Okay, so that sounds like a good start. So I went to the link. This is in person because it's an aspect of their representation. The link. Now, it may not be intuitive, but the link's actually associated with one particular sort of particular of the pair of people, the dyad that it connects. It's actually associated with one side of that. The one I think that added it or what have you. So there's an on-click handler there. Now, this on-click handler provides index as the index of the replicated line. So this is actually fairly sophisticated what we're doing here in terms of the thinking that goes through. But when on-click gets pressed, when someone clicks on this is going to be invoked. This code. It's going to be invoked for a particular agent. And within this code, the agent that on whom this is invoked, this line with whom this line is associated, how can I refer to that agent as what? Well, I can refer to that agent as, how can I refer to myself, folks? This, thank you. And so I can refer to myself as this, and I could say this dot, and how do I disconnect from someone? This dot disconnect, this dot get, dot disconnect from, and how do I find out to whom I'm connected with this link, with a particular link? By index. Yes. Yes, that's it. That's great. That's great. So this index is provided contextually. So I know the index of the replicated line. This is the first line, or the 0th line, or the first line, or the second line associated with me. So I could say this dot get. I want to get a reference to the agent to whom this line is connected, the other side. I know I'm at one side. This is at one side. Who's on the other side? Well, the index of this line, the sort of the number of that line starting at 0 is given by index. And to find the person on the other side of it, I say, okay, hey, for me, who am I connected with on my ith line, where I goes 0, 1, 2. So I am connected to this dot get connected agent. I need the name. I need a reference to that agent to whom I'm connected on this index line, the line numbered index. So I'm going to first, I want to disconnect myself from the person, from the person who is on the other side of the index line. Yeah? Does that make sense? Okay. So, it's exhibiting displeasure. So let's go see what's going on. It says syntax error. Insert what? Does it want a semicolon or what? It says syntax. Well, here you can go pause up here. Oh no. What's this error? Syntax. Oh, okay. So it needs a semicolon at the end to appease the compiler god. So there we go. Boom. Okay. And then we're going to do build, and now it's a happy camper. Okay, so what I did is here, again, I am disconnect when this link, the index link, is clicked on. I know it's the index link, the link numbered index from this context because it tells me. So maybe this is the 0th link. I'm going to say this dot disconnect myself from whatever agent I'm connected to with that index link. Okay, so now we should be able to run this, and hopefully we can now sculpt our network as we see fit. Hey, why isn't this? There we go. Okay, well, it got 2 for 1. Ooh, look at that. It's almost like it's deleting. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, it's exhibiting displeasure. So what's up? Well, my guess is we have to do the supply network again, so it will recomplete the network, because otherwise I think it's not, maybe it's not labeling things. So this dot get underbar main dot environment dot apply network, because it may not be sort of keeping it consistent. I'm not sure that I believe that explanation, but let's go see. Hey, come on. Oh man, it's not deleting it as I expect. Yeah, but it should be disconnecting from the appropriate person. Okay, now that's mighty interesting. Okay, Dylan, could you see if yes? Do you have to disconnect A from B and B from A? No.
I think that takes care of I don't know why that works, but it doesn't go here.
Okay, thank you. This dot get connections dot remove and give that index?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna okay, there we go. I'm gonna comment that out, so I'll research that to figure out what's going on with that. But okay, this dot get connections and then dot get connections dot remove and then index, like that, you're saying?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna try that. So sorry folks, I should have paused. Let's just go test Dylan's remedy. Okay. Oh. This is exhibiting truculence still. Did you not do the apply network, Dylan? Okay. Well, we're gonna have to get rid of the apply network. And I'm gonna have to think this through. I don't know why the apply network could cause a problem. I don't know why the original problem was there, but I'm gonna have to go research it. Okay. So let's go try this. Okay. Hey, works like a charm. The Delanian risk sort of therapy proved successful. Okay. Yes.
Is that because connection is linked to agent, just remove one of this?
That's what I was wondering, and so
when you look at an individual agent using previous method, if you click the link, it disappears. And
so say that again.
if you look at an individual agent, rather than from the drop-down menu.
Okay. So in other words, like if I went like this.
Right. You click the link again, it disappears.
Using the old code.
Right, using the old code.
Ah.
So you're saying the links link both sides. That means just disconnect on one side rather than both sides.
Yeah. So maybe it's causing somehow a problem because you're only somehow disconnecting from both sides and therefore screwing up the other agents. Sort of understand? Okay, that could well be. And so, yeah, that seems like a plausible hypothesis for what might be going on. I'm not sure if that code could be remedied by having it do both deletions at once. You know, like A disconnect from B, B disconnect from A. That might work, but anyway, I'll check into this. Okay, so bit distended there, but a little bit more generally, we might use something like this to impose an immigration rate. So how would we, if we want to impose an immigration rate, so people are coming into this model at a certain number of people per time unit, say, per